everybody, and welcome to a new video. So today's video is going to be a quick review for a mini massager that I received. I remember watching Bob and Brad YouTube channel way back when I was first diagnosed with performance syndrome, and I had a lot of pain, and they had some really great physiotherapy stretches. I know that in the past few years a lot of tools have emerged that I've kind of resisted to try them just because I'm a huge believer of working with what works. So I did receive this massager. I haven't tried it yet, and I thought, why not do just a quick review of the massager and see what I like about it and how you can use it if that's something that interests you, because I know a lot of people, they have started to incorporate some of these tools into their healing, and a lot of these tools can definitely save you money in the long run in terms of massage therapy. This is the size of the massager, and I have to say that when I opened the box, that was the first thing that popped into my mind, the size. Usually when I bring my foam roller, but I mean, if both of these can do the same job, I will definitely be more inclined to grab the mini massager, especially if I'm going on a trip, something on the go. I definitely can see this being more practical in terms of the size. So this is the box that the massager came in. Really nice box. I wasn't actually expecting this nice box. So when you open up, you find the massager here and you find all of these tools. This nice table shows you how long the duration of the massage. I also like how they put some muscle photos here so that people know how to target each of these muscles. And of course, I absolutely love the massage heads. And I think my most favorite one is the U-shaped head, and is for the spine, neck, and shoulders. And those are really small areas that the foam roller cannot get to, and it's even hard to target them with the massage ball. So this is the head, and I feel like this head would be really great for releasing the QL. So again, it comes with all of these different heads for different muscles. This is to get into the deep muscle area, so I can see this being beneficial for the rotator cuff area, the rhomboids, and some bigger heads here. So it also comes with the charger cable. So this is good, you don't need a battery. I'm gonna press here, and then you can adjust the intensity here, which I really like, because if you watch my videos, I always mention how you want to be able to control the pressure, and I wouldn't use a massager that has a really high pressure and I can't adjust that. So I absolutely love this about this specific massage. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be trying a few heads here. So the ball head is for large muscle groups such as the quads, glutes, and it's also used for soreness and joint pain. But of course, you always want to be on the muscles when you're doing massage. I really appreciate how I can work on multiple muscles standing and at the same time. So I can massage the quads, the TFL, the glutes, and also the performance as well. I was really excited for the U-shaped head because as soon as I saw it, I knew exactly it would be perfect for the QL and the trapezius and upper back muscles. Of course, you want to make sure that you're not on the spine. And when I was doing this, I was feeling my whole back getting really warm. And you can also have somebody behind you applying the massager on your back. So if it's a little bit uncomfortable for you to reach those areas, you can definitely ask somebody to do that for you. The air cushioned head is for sensitive areas, and I definitely felt the difference using this different head. I do find that it's really good for long muscles such as the biceps. I've always struggled with releasing those areas with the foam roller. It was always awkward and I had to do it on my stomach. The biceps do get tight and they definitely contribute to rounded shoulder forward head posture. So typing on the computer all day, doing arm exercises can tighten up those areas. So this was a really great opportunity for me to work on those areas using this massager. Overall, I really like this massager. I do have an upcoming trip and I am planning on taking it with me, especially because of how small the box is. So if you are looking for a massager, definitely check this Q2 mini massager by Bob and Brad.